आमचे दुसरी गेस्ट आसात ते कसिनो प्रायडाचे डायरेक्टर श्रीनिवास नायक. श्रीनिवास बाब, वेलकम. पहिली गजाल, यू स्टार्टेड वील गो टू द इकॉनॉमी पार्ट लेटर, बट तुम्ही स्वतः कोविडा खातीर कांय इनिशिएटिव्ह स्टार्ट केल्यात. प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट इट अँड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू द बिझनेस पार्ट.
See, unfortunately, in April month, all directors of Majestic Pride Group, most of them, we got COVID. We were infected by COVID. Some of us had to be in home isolation. Some were required to be admitted in hospital. So during those 14-15 days, we saw this magnitude of this problem. Earlier, we used to see this in the media, but we got an opportunity or whatever it is, misfortune, to see the plight of the people. So as in the first week of May, when we all resumed our duty, our first priority was that we have to do something for the people. So fortunately, our senior directors, Mr. Ashok Ketrapal, Baldev Raj Arora, and Mukesh Gulati, they took an initiative. They gave us a charge to say that do something for the people. So we decided that we should put up, there are COVID care centers, but care centers are only bed, and what we realized is that some places there was oxygen, some places there was no oxygen, and they were only the care centers for the asymptomatic people or the mild people. And there was a huge graduation of mild people to the severity within no time, because there was no proper treatment for comorbid conditions of the patients, because there was no specialist doctors attending them on a regular basis. So this is what we realized, and we decided that we should have our own facility where we can get all the specialists, because machineries can be bought with the money, but the specialist to give a personal care to the patients was more important. So we hired about a team of about 19 doctors and specialists and about 45 nurses. And fortunately, when we put up this proposal, the CM of Goa was very, very positive, and even the collector and the deputy collectors, they were very positive. They gave us all the help and support, and also they gave us what are the requirements, which helped us. Though because of the COVID, the roads were closed and it was very difficult for us to get the equipments. But fortunately, we flew everything, including the medicines. And we have set up this. Presently, the facility is for about 60 patients at a time. And we are hoping to increase it if the need be. But I personally hope and pray that the infection level is coming down, so the requirements are coming down, but still it's better to be prepared than running around at the last minute. This facility is at multi-purpose stadium at Kampal. This is equipped with all the equipments, including NIV machine also we got now, HFNO machines also we got eco, we got X-ray machines, and for pathology and for CT scan we have tie-up with the centers, and we have our own ambulances, and this is for all the people. We have not reserved a single bed for ourselves or any of our known person. It is for anybody and everybody who deserves treatment, and everything including food, everything is free.
Oxygen facility astalo, medically how well this facility will be equipped?
See, oxygen cylinders we already got. Fortunately, the scoop oxygen, Sanjeev Nayak was very cooperative. He helped us a lot. In fact, when we started, we did not even know about these oxygen cylinders and the technical requirements. He gave us a lot of inputs, and he has provided us the cylinders. We also got oxygen concentrators. So presently we are quite well equipped to handle the medium patients, not the mild do not need this kind of facilities.
Moderately serious.
Moderate patients are graduating into the severe patients. So that if we can stop, that will reduce the pressure on ventilators in Goa. Presently there is a huge pressure on ventilators in Goa, so that we want to reduce it.
एक गजाल असा की श्रीनिवास बाब की कमिंग टू द इकॉनॉमी पार्ट, आणि इकॉनॉमी पार्ट इज सद्या कर्फ्यू एक्सटेंड केला 31 मे मेरेन. So from an industry point of view, we'll go to the details later, but from an industry point of view, how are you looking at the situation?
See, sir, I'm very happy that it is closed. I am not here. This is not a time to earn money. This is time to save life. We are very clear, even whether it is the 30th of 31st of May or further down, because the minute you let loose again, then the people will start doing everything what they want to. I'm very sorry to say this, but my personal experience has been, including myself, we are very irresponsible. I myself traveled to Dubai and got this COVID. So it is not blaming, there is no point in blaming government and government machinery. There is a limitation for everything. We ourselves are not changing our ways. Even till now, as I'm talking to you, people are partying, people are doing everything what they want to. And finally, when the situation arises, we find the easiest way is to go into a social media and blame for the whole world except ourselves. So even we could have done that. Now we have chosen something other than this, to do something proactive and trying to help fellow citizens of this state and this country, rather than blaming the system. Because ultimately is because of us, the system has been generated.
Has your personal experience changed your perspective?
Very much, very much. I'll tell you, the level of irresponsibility is very high among everybody. I'm not here to blame any A, B or C. I'm blaming myself. I had everything. I had no reason, but still I traveled and I got it, what I got it. So why to blame people?
एक गजाल आगी तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीचेर खूब जाण आरोप करतात की तुमच्या इंडस्ट्री खातीर वो कर्फ्यू बिर्फ्यू घालपाक सरकारान डिले केलो म्हणून. कितें तथ्य आहा तूं भितर?
See, I don't want to get into the political debate, but it's very unfortunate. I mean, I have got facts and figures, but that will be controversial. I don't want to get into that. But it is very unfortunate, and this is very short-sighted view, I personally feel.
फ्रॉम टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू तुमकां दिसता की फुडली आतां मागीर मॉन्सून स्टार्ट जातलो, हाव बिग इज द इकॉनॉमिक हिट of this situation? It is completely clear that curfew is justified. It takes a huge economic toll, but सद्याक आमची परिस्थिती अशी आहा की we need to save lives. But roughly, what is the economic toll आणि एक recovery खातीर कितलो time लागतलो?
Presently, even at the shut position, excluding license fee, my monthly expenses is about 5 crore rupees, which we have to spend every month, even at the shut position, because my staff is about 4,500 staff is sitting at their accommodations. I cannot tell them that I'm not going to pay you any money. All my standing expenses are there. Economic hit is there. But personally speaking, I don't even want to even think about those things at this stage, because this is not a time to think about the losses. If we are alive and everything goes well, there is a whole life to earn more money, and we will earn. So long as everybody is safe, it's very unfortunate that especially some national and international media painted Goa in a very bad colors. It really pains us, because we put so much of effort to bring Goa or Goa's name in line with the international tourist destinations. But in last 10-15 days, it has been spoiled by certain section very badly, which was very unfortunate. But once the economy the COVID scare reduces, the vaccination level increases, COVID scare reduces, we will do everything else to bring the Goa's name back to its glory. We means everybody in Goa will put their efforts.
Yeah.
That is not a criteria or concern at this minute.
At this point of time, I think very rightly said, that is not the concern or criteria at this point of time. This point of time, criteria is get the positivity rate down, get the cases down, get the mortality down, save as many lives as possible. Srinivas Bab, thanks a lot for joining. आणि काम अशेंच चालू उरूं दी कोविडा खातीर, कारण yes, we seem to be declining, but my personal view is that it is largely because of the restriction on movement.